Hi, today we're talking about tool license and creative asset expense log tracker. So if you see this template, we have got a database at the bottom which lists out all the different tools that we're using for our business, the category under which the tool lists out to, the users, the cost incurred, and the license term, whatever is visible over here. We have also got a member who is responsible for using the tool, renewal date and status. Utilizing this database, we have created a summarized view at the top which says upcoming renewals, the member expenses, and by users. Upcoming renewals are all those tools which are like going to be renewed in the future. So you can see the renewal date showing up in the future, and there has been a filter added like the renewal date is on or before 1 month from now. So basically, it captures all the upcoming renewals within 1 month. Okay. Then we have got member expenses. This has been simply grouped by the member who is responsible, and we have linked this view to the database at the bottom, and we have created this member expenses as per different tools which are being used. Finally, we have by users. So this shows where we are using this particular tool in our business. Like it can be in the internal client project or any other section. So whatever it is being used, we are showing over here on the top, and we are classifying the different tools as per the expenses. This is just a quick and easy way to see the entire summary of how exactly this operates. You can obviously customize this entire database and make changes to the linked views at the top to have your own way of tracking the tool license and expense tracker. So basically, this is it for the demonstration. But I will be happy to know from you if you want any customization or any changes in this. For that, you can contact me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. This is where I can help you or assist you with any queries. I would also like to take this opportunity to talk about a new tool, PDF Output. So PDF Output is a tool which can help you generate PDF documents in bulk. For this, it utilizes a Notion database. And if you want to generate single document, you can also use a Notion page to generate PDFs. So what you can do is you can click on create PDF. There are two modes like single PDF, multiple PDF. Under single PDF, you can generate one single PDF document utilizing a Notion page. I have added a video for the same. Under multiple PDFs, you can generate multiple PDF documents. So you can definitely watch this video to understand more about the process. You can also read the instructions for each of the sections where I've added all the instructions for a use case. So let me know what you think of this. This is a handy tool for a use case and you can use it for a business. If you have any questions, I'm available at notionformyuse@gmail.com, or you can contact me with the contact section at the bottom and you can send me a message with any specific queries which you might have. So that's it for the demonstration. I hope you have a great day ahead. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.